Alright, what's going on, and welcome to Tucci Racing and our second vlog. Today we got some innovative Racecraft stuff that we'll be putting on the race car. So right now we're just pulling the car out of our trailer, backing it in, and then working on it. Looks good. I like it.
Is the ooze tool on the floor?
Some Tim McCamus rivets. See a rivet.
It's a problem.
Black rivets, black Zeus buttons.
How's that one?
Got that one?
How's this look? So we're gonna ooze like this. So the top is hot as a bastard. So I'm gonna put this dimple, which I fucked up. I'll repeat, and you're gonna crush.
Yeah.
Crush. Good. Nice. This one and this one are good, right?
Yeah.
This one
Couple rivets in.
work. So we're gonna.
Looks good. I think it looks way better.
So we're gonna go from the edge to here, where
No what? The dashboard, the gears. I mean the cluster.
I think they're on that shelf.
I think it looks good.
It's killed.
That looks really good. So what we do, we put the hinges on, we put the top part of the wing on, and then
Side bills.
the side bills. So then we still have the struts to do,
Yep. And a few Zeus buttons.
and some Zeus buttons. I think it looks good. Probably finish it tomorrow, and then we'll put both days together for a full video.
Cool.
Alright, day 2 in the garage. You have the wing still on, didn't fall over, that's good. And then you got new springs for the Zeus buttons. And then Allen keys.
So this, I already drilled it, staying that way, right?
Okay.
So I'm just gonna cut 3 inches off, slam it there, and put it there.
That looks good.
Right?
Innovative Racecraft. Looks good. I guess so. These should be adjusted about 3 inches, so we're cutting it down. These brackets are on. It looks good, Dad. I'll have one of the struts on, just holding it up. Looks nice. So we have them placed there. We're a couple bolts short, but now we just have to drill the holes for the pins so they can stay there. Looks really good. Should I show him the old wing, or you don't want him to know? I'll put a picture of what the old wing looked like on it.